DIY skincare routines are becoming increasingly popular as people seek natural and cost-effective ways to care for their skin at home. These routines typically involve using readily available ingredients such as honey, yogurt, and oatmeal to create masks, scrubs, and moisturizers that cater to specific skin concerns. Tailoring the routine to individual needs and preferences is a key advantage of DIY skincare, as it allows for personal customization and experimentation. Normal skin appears smooth and balanced, with few imperfections and well-balanced moisture levels. A DIY skincare routine for normal skin involves choosing gentle cleansers to avoid stripping natural oils, moisturizing to maintain hydration, and using natural exfoliants to remove dead skin cells. Learn how to create a DIY skincare routine for dry skin by incorporating hydrating ingredients like honey, avocado, and coconut oil. These natural ingredients are known for their moisturizing properties, helping to nourish and hydrate dry skin for a radiant complexion. Learn how to create a DIY skincare routine for oily skin using natural astringents like witch hazel and DIY clay masks. These natural remedies help to control oil production, minimize pores, and reduce acne breakouts. Creating a DIY skincare routine for combination skin involves using natural remedies to balance the T-zone and cheeks. Targeted ingredients like tea tree oil for the T-zone and aloe vera for the cheeks can help maintain a healthy balance without overly drying or moisturizing the skin. If you have sensitive skin, a DIY skincare routine can help soothe and nourish your skin. Incorporate gentle ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile to calm any irritation and redness. Creating a DIY skincare routine for acne-prone skin can help in managing breakouts and achieving a clearer complexion. Incorporating acne-fighting ingredients such as tea tree oil and green tea can be highly beneficial. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce acne-causing bacteria and calm redness. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, can help to soothe and protect the skin while also reducing excess oil production. When used in combination, these ingredients can help to combat acne and promote healthier skin.